Hello, I just received my TeckNet N7 cooling pad for my laptop and I'll be doing a quick unboxing review. I got it for 1500 from Amazon. You get a USB connection cord and a user manual. Well, if you use a laptop with a i5 or i7 processor, it produces a lot of heat and it can restrict the performance of your computer. It comes with a metal mesh and 6 cooling fans. All the fans rotate at 2000 RPM and they do suck out a considerable amount of charge from your laptop batteries. It also looks cool at night with 6 blue LEDs attached to each fan. It fits my 15.6-inch laptop perfectly, and it also comes with 2 USB ports in the rear. The stand also comes with 5 stages of height and angle adjustments. The cooling pad did result in lower temperatures during heavy gaming, and it's highly recommended if you're going to be using your laptop for gaming or going to be using it over your lap. Thank you for watching.